Hi there, my name is Gary Gilchrist, and welcome to another in our Good for Techies demo series. Today we're going to have a look at some feature sneak peeks of Good for Enterprise running on Android. So let's get started. Our first feature that we'll look at is the new calendar week view in Android. So I'm just going to open up my Good for Enterprise. As you can see, I'm just in my default email view, and now I'm going to go to the calendar view. So the calendar view actually lets me look at today, and it's the weekend, so there's not much happening at work today. But I can also look at my week view and my month view. So the month view has been available in Good for Enterprise for a few releases now, but the week view on Android is new. So I can select the week view menu item, and I get to see all of my appointments during this week. I can also swipe left and right on the week view to look at previous week views. So for example, I can open up a particular calendar item in the week view, or go back and look at other appointments in my calendar. Now let's stay here in my week view and actually drill into a recent meeting. From within the meeting view, I now have the capability to reply to everybody in the meeting invite. So for example, I would just select the icon at the bottom of the screen and select Reply All. I could also forward this invite to other participants if I wanted to. When I select Reply All, this brings me to the email section of Good for Enterprise, where I can compose a new message immediately to all participants of the meeting. Now, staying here within Good for Enterprise, I'm going to go back and have a look at some of the new browser features in our Good Mobile Access browser. You can see here on the bottom of the screen my tray in Good for Enterprise with the browser icon on the right-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and launch the browser. So here we are at my initial default homepage, which is our good.com site. And we're going to take a look now at how to use tabbed browsing within the browser here within Good for Enterprise. You may notice a new icon up near the URL view in the browser. That is the tabs icon, and it's currently just got one tab. So if I select that now, we go to the tabs view, and there's just one tab, which is my current good.com homepage. But within this tabs view, I can begin to add new tabs for sites that I may wish to frequently visit later. So I can select the new tab icon and enter a URL. Let's use the Good forum and navigate to that site. Now you'll see that having selected that site, my tabs icon has increased in count to 2 tabs. So if I go ahead and select my tabs view again, you'll see the original tab for my good.com homepage, as well as the new tab containing my Be Good forum that I just selected. Now I can also manage my tabs from within the main menu of the browser. You can see that icon on the top right-hand side of the screen, and one of the options within the menu is New Tab. So from within this view, I can also select New Tab and select another site. In addition to tabs, I can also use traditional bookmarks. So let's go back to one of my tabbed sites. Let's open up the forum. Let's say I'm interested in one of these articles, and I may wish to bookmark this article for later. To do that, I just need to go back to the menu and select Add Bookmark. I can just accept the default text. And now from the menu, if I go to the Bookmarks section, we'll see that bookmark is actually available now in my list of bookmarks. I can delete bookmarks, of course, just by long pressing the bookmark and choosing Delete. Finally, within this view, you can always view your recent page navigation history as well. So new features, like being able to view and interact with your calendar in week view, as well as just day and month, being able to reply to everybody using email for a particular calendar appointment, and also the cool new browser UI features, such as tabbed browser navigation, are just a few of the really exciting new features coming up very soon in the next release of Good for Enterprise. I hope you've enjoyed this little sneak peek. It's all good. Thank you.